Question number 6. Students at a local college must take a placement test when they register for an English course. The director of studies wants to estimate a student's final mark in the course based on their placement test results. Sky got 84 on the placement test using two different methods, the Mayer line and the median line. Estimate Sky's final mark in her English course. Which of the two estimations seems more plausible? The first one, we're going to do the Mayer. First of all, notice it's not in order. 92, 70, 74, 82, not in order. That's really important. If the X's aren't in order, you have to put them in order. Keep the Y's with the X's. I reordered them, and notice I have 70 first. The 70 goes to the 77. The 70 still goes to the 77. Then we have 72. Here's 72, goes to the 78. 72 goes to the 78. Reorder them according to the X's. Then I'm going to divide, because it's Mayer, I'm going to divide it in half. Fortunately, this divides nicely in half. I'm looking at the first 5, so I'm going to take the average of these X values. I'm going to take the mean of the test results that I've colored yellow. That gives us 75. Then I'm going to take the mean of the final marks in yellow. I'm going to average these out, add them all up, divide by 5. And that gives us 78.8. Then I take the mean of the test results that are in red. That gives us 90. I take the mean of the final marks in red. That gives us 82. I'm looking for the equation of a line that passes through these points. I need to figure out my delta X. I'm going to do 90 minus 75 is 15. Then 82 take away 78.8 is 3.2. My A is delta Y over delta X, which is 3.2 over 15, which gives us 0.2313 repeating. The B is Y minus AX. So I'm going to take one of these two as my X and Y. It doesn't matter which one. I'm using these two, the 90 and the 82. The Y value is the 82 plus the A, 0.2313 repeating, times the X times the 90. That gives us 62.8. We get an equation of Y is equal to 0.2313 repeating X plus 62.8. We know that she got 84 on her placement test. We want to know what she should expect as her final mark. We replace the X with 84. That gives us 80.72, which this person got 82 on their placement test and they got an 80. This guy's getting 84 on her placement test and she's still expecting an 80.72. That doesn't seem terribly plausible. We're going to do this again, but this time we're going to do it with the median method. I'm going to take all this. I want to divide it up nicely into 3, but I've got 10 results. I'm going to try and divide 3 in the first group, 3 in the last group. That would leave me with 4 in the middle group. The first group and the middle group should differ by 1. Whether the first group has 1 more or 1 less, it doesn't matter. It just that these have to differ by 1. 3, 4, 3 makes 10. That works. I'm going to take the median of the first group. The X's are already in order. 72 is the median, but the Y's for the first group are in order, but for the second group, not so much, not for the third group. I just reordered each group. 77, 78, 74, same ordering, but this one I just ordered them from smallest to biggest, so we get the medians easily. We're using the median method. We're looking at the median test results that are in yellow. 72 is the middle of those. Then for the final marks in yellow, 78 is the middle. Then for the blue, I'm looking at the median of what's between 82 and 86, is the average of 82 and 86 is 84. Then I'm looking at the average of 75 and 80, which is 77.5. For the red, we're looking at 92 is the median, and then over here, 96 is the median for the final marks. I want to take the average of these median, the mean of the 3 median test results, add these 3 together, divide by 3, and that gives me 82.6 repeating. Take the average of these 3 final marks, add those 3 together, divide by 3, that gives us 84.5. I'm looking for an equation that has the same slope of a line that passing through this point. The mean of the 3. This is the X and this is the Y. The delta X is 92 take away 72, which is 20. The delta Y is 98 take away 78, which is also 20. That gives us a slope, delta Y over delta X, of 20 over 20, which is 1. The B is Y minus AX. This point, 82.6, 84.5. This is the X, this is the Y. The B is 84.5, this Y value, take away AX, take away 1 times 82.6 repeating, and that gives us 1.83 repeating. So our equation is y equals x plus 1.83 repeating. The x is the 84 that she got on the placement test. Y is equal to 84 plus 1.83 repeating. That gives us 85.83 repeating. That seems a little bit more plausible. Let's look at people who got 82, got an 80, 74 got 84. We're predicting 85.83 repeating, which seems a little bit more plausible. The 85.83 is more plausible. The means in the Mayer method, means are easily offset by the extremes. This person who got an 86 got a 40. That's an extreme. The extremes can move the means around drastically, but medians aren't as affected by the extremes. In the median method, it seems more reasonable, the result that we got. The means in the Mayer method are more easily offset by the extremes, where the medians in the median methods are more reliable. And that is it for question 6. Have a good day.